Basutti here, and I am doing a DIY mask with you guys today. This mask is such an awesome recipe if you have acne, cystic acne, hormonal acne, whatever kind of acne you have. This mask is known to work wonders on getting rid of acne and getting rid of it for good. So I'm so excited about this mask. I found this mask online. It's actually a Desi recipe. It's an Indian secret recipe for your skin, and it's done wonders for people's skin. If you do any research into this mask, you will see some awesome results. So I'm so excited to share it with you guys today. Some of the other benefits of this mask are helping remove acne scars, dark spots, sunspots, also dark circles under your eyes, and it also helps get rid of unwanted facial hair if you have facial hair growing. There's just a number of benefits. So I'm so excited to share this with you. Obviously, the number one benefit, like I said, is acne. So if you have acne, you have got to try this mask out. So here we go. I'll share with you what you need to do this mask. So here are the ingredients you need for this mask, and I'm going to share why they're important. I got all my ingredients from the health food store. So the number one is Garbanzo flour or chickpea flour. And this works because it contains zinc, which kills acne, and it also exfoliates your skin. Number two is turmeric. So this is just a spice that you can get at your store, and the turmeric is a great anti-inflammatory, so it helps with acne. It also helps fade acne scars. Number three is almond oil. So the almond oil is great to fade dark spots. And the fourth ingredient is either milk or almond milk. Milk contains lots of vitamins and helps moisturize your skin. So let's get started mixing this mask up and get you on your way to acne-free skin. So I have a bowl with something to mix with. And you're gonna take 1 cup of the chickpea or garbanzo flour. Put it in. Then you wanna take a 1/2 cup of your milk or almond milk. Pour it in. Then you will take a teaspoon of almond oil. Pour that in. And last but not least is a teaspoon of the turmeric. Now the turmeric can stain your clothes, so you want to be careful with this. If you have really fair skin, you want to use a little bit less than a teaspoon because it stains your skin if you have super fair skin, but it's only temporarily, so it'll only be overnight. It won't last forever, but you can use less so that your skin will be a little less yellow. Now you're just gonna mix it all together. Get it all nice and mixed up until it turns into a paste. And you can even make extra of this because you can store it in your fridge, and the goal is to try and use this mask twice a week if you have lots of acne. For me, I don't have any current breakouts right now, thankfully. I've been struggling with my breakouts this pregnancy a lot, but right now I don't have any. So I'll probably just be using this mask once a week just to help with glowing skin and under eye circles and stuff like that. Okay, so now that it's all mixed up, you can see right here, all mixed up, and it's just a nice paste. Now you are going to apply it to your skin. I do like to use brushes a lot when applying masks, but right now I don't have my brush with me and I'm just gonna use my fingers because it's more convenient. So you'll just grab some of the mask and start applying it to your skin. Just all over. I like the smell of it too. You want to make sure that your skin is covered completely, especially spots that you have acne. Probably want to have your hair pulled back for this, otherwise it will get in your hair. Oh, and of course, do it on clean, makeup-free skin. As with all masks, you want to have clean, makeup-free skin. You can even put this mask on your neck and down your décolletage area, but I don't want to stain this shirt, so I'm just gonna have it on my face. And now that it's all over my face, I'm going to let it dry. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I can hardly move my face right now because this mask definitely tightens your skin a lot like a clay mask would. But yeah, it feels great on my skin. It's been almost 15 minutes and you want to wait until this dries completely before you wash it off. So mine is dried completely now. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I wash it off. Yeah, make sure it's dried completely and you can't move your face like mine. How you're gonna wash it off is you're gonna get a washcloth wet with some warm water, and then you're gonna start wiping it away in circular motions. And you want to do it gently. So, as you can see, it's coming off. And I can move my face again. So once you are done completely wiping it off, you are good to go. You definitely want to do this mask 1 to 2 times a week. 2 times if you are dealing with acne and breakouts. This is something you should do for a full month and just see how it goes, see what results you have. I promise after a full month of doing this, you are gonna see some results. So I really hope you enjoyed the DIY today, and I hope this mask works for you.